Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today, we take a closer look at three major top stories that are shaping South Sudan. First, the South Sudan Security Force have finally taken control of the contested fishing island in Jonglei State after a year of deadly fighting between youth groups. Second, we turn to Kenya coastal town of Malindi, where a South Sudanese woman tragically lost her life under mysterious circumstances. And lastly, in western Equatorial State, two men have been arrested for allegedly raping an elderly woman, a crime that has shocked the Yambio community. Before we proceed with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin with the first top story. Security force take control of contested Jonglei fishing island. Let's begin in Jonglei State, a region that has long been haunted by intercommunal violence, especially around its rich fishing island. A joint security force made up of South Sudan People Defense Forces, the National Police, and the National Security Service has now moved into restore peace. According to official, the deployment started on Saturday, following a year of deadly clashes between youth groups from all in Duke County and Ayual in Twitch East County. These communities have fought over fishing rights and land ownership since 2023. The government say the new deployment cover the Bios Tagany, Lang, Palwat, Panom, Kwai, Sedaft, and Dong Ashland, areas known for both their beauty and their bloodshed. Jonglei State Information Minister Nyamarlun Tichot reported that the deployment is a major step toward lasting peace. She emphasized that the government is determined to stop the cycle of revenge killing and violence that have claimed many innocent lives. She said that the deployment of the joint force is vital for resolving the ongoing communal conflict between the whole and Ayuel communities. We remain committed to ending intercommunal violence that has claimed life in this island and elsewhere in Jonglei State, she stated. The operation is being led by top security officials, including Deputy Chief of Defense Force for Operations, General Kwang Tua Kwang, along with senior officers from the National Security Service and the police, to strengthen law enforcement. Chief Justice Dr. Benjamin Bagdeng has also directed the creation of a special court to handle cases linked to intercommunal fighting. This move come after repeated demand from human rights groups for justice and accountability. Many community leaders have welcomed the decision, saying it is long overdue. The people living around this island have suffered for too long, losing loved ones, homes, and property. In an interview, Duke County Commissioner John Shatim Ray confirmed that the youth from his county have already withdrawn from the disputed areas now, and they are ready to cooperate with the joint forces, SSPDF, Police, National Security Force. He said, our youth have already withdrawn and are ready to support the new security team. Meanwhile, civil society activists Bol Dengbol, who had interpret South Sudan, praised the deployment, but cautioned that peace must come through dialogue, not just military action. He said many lives were lost because of delayed government response. But now, we with the SSPDF move to evacuate Biotagany, we see hope for real dialogue. I urge both sides to cooperate, and I also call on the army to protect civilian life and property. This fishing island have become symbol of both wealth and war. The rich waters have fed families for generations, but greed and tribal rivalries have turned them into battleground. With these new joint forces, the people of Jonglei state are hoping for peace, a peace that lasts longer than the promise of the past. Before we proceed, please save the channel by turning on notification bell, and do not forget to subscribe to Changfied YouTube channel. Our second top story: police prove death of South Sudanese woman in Kenya. This is very shocking news. Now let's move to a heartbreaking story from Kenya coastal town of Malindi. Kenyan police are investigating the mysterious death of South Sudanese woman by the name Regina Ayen, who reportedly died while trying to escape from her white lover, the husband of her. According to Kenyan media report, Regina tried to climb over a gate to get away, but slipped and fell onto sharp metal spike. The injuries she sustained were severe, and she later died at the hospital. Police said the incident happened last Friday night. Malindi Deputy Police Commander Daniel Shasha told NTV Kenya that the spike pierced her right thigh, leading to heavy bleeding. Doctor confirmed that she died from excessive blood loss. It is a sad and shocking story that has left both the South Sudanese and Kenyan communities in Malindi in disbelief. Police have opened an investigation to find out what exactly led to the incident and whether there was any foul play involved. Family members were informed immediately. One of her relatives, David Rachur, thanks police for the quick response and said the family would fully cooperate with the investigators. He told NTV, "We appreciate the police leadership for acting fast. We will let the investigation take its course and continue to work with the authorities." This story raised many questions. What made Regina try to escape? Was she in danger, or was it an accident caused by panic and fear? The answer may take time, but her death has once again drawn attention to the struggle many young South Sudanese women face abroad, where love, economic hardship, and vulnerability often intersect with tragedy. As we wait for more information from Kenyan authorities, one thing is clear: no life should end this way. Let's move on to our third top story. 2 men arrested over rape case in South Sudan, Yambio. Our final story today takes us to Yambio in western Equatorial State, where authorities have arrested 2 men suspected of raping a 60-year-old woman. This is very shocking. Police sources say the suspects are believed to be soldiers from the South Sudan or from Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLIO. The shocking crime happened in Bazungwa Payam, Yambio County, last Wednesday night. Community members say the 2 men broke into the woman's house and assaulted her. Her husband, who tried to report the case to police, was beaten and later detained for a short time in Makpandu. The survivor was quickly taken to Yambio Hospital for medical treatment. According to local police officer Major Arcangelo Santo, the suspects were first detained in Makpandu before being transferred to Yambio. They were transferred to Yambio for further investigation. He said the suspect have been arrested and moved to Yambio. The woman is receiving treatment and the investigation continues. The Western Equatorial State Police Commissioner General Samuel Tate confirmed the arrest and promised a detailed report soon. Local leader and human rights group have strongly condemned the incident. Activist Edmund Yakani, the head of the Community Empowerment for Progress organization, called the crime totally unacceptable. He said the accused soldier must face justice. Sexual violence is a serious crime, and there should be no compromise. The SPLIO leadership in Western Equatoria has not yet commented on the arrest. Under South Sudan's penal code, rape carries up to 14 years in prison and possible fine. This story is a painful reminder that sexual violence remains a serious problem in South Sudan, one that destroys lives, families, and the dignity of South Sudan people. Justice for victims like this woman is not just about punishment. It is about restoring hope, safety in the communities. And that brings us to the end of today's broadcast. Biakamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Gwasme bana roi ketin konta lat karodian. Wika South Sudan. To kon kaler to bed to banaling gwasmeni. Kenyam ken kono nyam related to me jirami jidit gorono jin subscribed ka Changfied YouTube channel ko mite mishala rai gwasm be chwamala shubikiji ban leran ban je talk kamanda na chi talk ka Jonglei state keri pode cha no gwasm e chala do nene de nikia gang rai wishing winemi tiken gwase chinaro altin gwada la rich la ka maiketin ka Jonglei fishing ashland wa charge kevata me deni la deni SSPDF police kan national security service wa chika wen magwa se cha ka jogono nyin nare wi ngini mi chikaneten kontin la jiwich should ke community dangro ko take ko to kam tugdul dangro ka kwimon kene kwirech cha join security force cha kan ngare wi ngini mi South Sudan People Defense Forces, National Police, kena National Security Service, ken dial chakanang ko bikan mal bikan ojaten wanamo. Ka jom shala natin konti lalat kume ki officially. Kani tanda nan laske de ni gwasmi keje. Amu gwalong ken de ni chakanang gwasmi ke Saturday. Chakanang ko bikan wujemo bikan wugang. Ngai kone area mo chala do ci korwan ci to ka korun tungwan jiddu county kene tuj east county kene de ti la community ni kele kene nyen ka kwirech kene kwimon ke 2023 rona mo ci to go no shuka te karwal ci liya ci to ten kam community dangro du county kene en gwadla reje maigatino adorien ji tuj east county gwadmo adorien Rala major tin ka gwasm bar. Shikume South Sudan chela no cha gorno ne to chicken bilenyin ba doromo ba je Canada nye bidein bukoten terami mo mil kan community ndang romu bititin cha de ni chagalat ka biota gany chagalat kalang chagalat ka mishal palwat chagalat ka mishal panom ka mishal kwai ka mishal sedaf ka mishal dong Iceland kan gwada ti wa ka gwada go long to tekare chungwan ka gwada liu natin ni chang. Jonglei State Information Minister Nyamarlun Tishot Shala do ne yana da county la Jimmy da cheka jok and wo shi kume jore alakan wo be security mu bum bum be jela san gwasamo ko bi mal beben jana kume jore lat ko teram bala nek teram bi yire labat ba ken ko to ba ka kapshong shi community shi garon bele nek cha jomo cha ju kwing pin jane ta da na cha din la let ke je jane mo gwalong ka queenat ko teleting bele bat teram bele liu jen ta da nan chalat ke je chalaro cha top security official cha kan nan wenamo ne ti diniken ka kuma South Sudan pinkir mi yadit chi gren mat kel no bekan gwaso bekan normal ne tin county laden wenamo a deputy chief of defense force for operation wun shale general kwang twa kwang ramiten wenamo la kwerten kene senior officer national security service ke police ne ti chaka nanga gwatamo chief justice Dr. Benjamin Bakdeng wajen bo yala do ne by special court gwaluk ba jelep re wichin winami ka Jonglei ko ba ne tin kontin la ko la ja to ke tin cha kor cha ja to ka kan jidor dangro ba kulukun wenamo ba ga tik ke tin jekto kon shirien lat ba gwan dure ko jere ka ba gwan chunga kam shonde dikala no by special court ba jelef ka Jonglei a chief justice Ramadan to ngot pinde re wichin winami ka Jonglei Dr. Benjamin Bakdeng chela no tidi ala kalatke akur intercommunal fight akap ko chung wane me emugwa bako ba na ba kulukun wenamo shamishin me chaje no ka ken community ndangro wo ba secure ba jeri aleka ka ba special code ba jele chadu county commissioner John Shatim Ray chaje teach jen chatich kata danan chikarya kaje kala no shimwane ka dial ray wishin gunimi chikan man chalat kume edeni ala join force ko ba gwa dan na nyintin ba jadil ke kume jani shine ka chika jian chigodan gwa da mone shimwane ka dial charen watch antama tika ko biga let kel ken security team ten kona chajak civil society activist boldeng bolshela do mugwalong boldeng bol ramkel kanete content la roani lat mite mi jang mashala rei which bikala ron me mijak jela den wo chiloide te dron ko shi kume SSPD ap shikan gwada la na nyintino mla community la karori nektino eno shikana mo kana to baje gang shamu gwalong no chela no gwawo cha SSPD ap charge deploy ka jen contested place mo ko chi kor che bele talk chi na chi ko rudin bele nak cha intercommunal violence and war ke fight cha je chu kap chong SSPD ap cha jo mo cha jela do mi chuong ke magwa wana kala radio na kan kono ni am gorno jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell je twine ko mite mi bare gwas mi be chamala shu be keje liang na madana le ro do gwas me doran chal ke Kenya take Sheikh South Sudanese ke nyamimo mila South Sudanese mi ci yede ci jenten chala do cha do badana liu ke je cha jala ta police ni no do liu ke South Sudan women ke South Sudanese women ke Kenya ya jo me cha je kwen ban je linkel ko do badana ci to ka ja na me just lo ajelong no Kenyan police watch can investigation chicken alat kata dan and Sheikh South Sudanese chi yere jien keje. Sheikh Mishwali Regina Ayen Mshilu wajen jana bara rode no ka shode mikawai. Shode na mo wa no de chika kwen katika ne kagat. Wajen jana bara na rode. Kenyan media chika report ikene tobono nene. Regina, young South Sudanese woman, wajen chakot, ya tokal cheja kodelo bara roda, ka tokal wabeje jen take ti nywen, wan gwaza mo mi jena kodamo, da kula pen kujimi da roda kula bar, wachi kala shet, jen pende ka shwa chu yeta hamde. Jena bara roda ka shode, no. Cha yet hamde, ngade metal mi kede kon chole yet mumut en yeda mo wa chiriem chalon yolo wa mi chapano ka chaja yeda jen yeda mo ka Kenya ka Nairobi wa chaja capture nang dwelwal ka jen Friday wa wer to ka jamo ipolin jala no reg mo che tok doran chal ke Melindi deputy police commander gun Michel Daniel Shasha right KNTV Kenya yala no nyame chaje yet yenu monmot gwami jeni kodakal bara roda ka shode wan wen mo chachu yet mi chaje yet jeni chiriem chalonyo long mi chanang dul walo wa de tigde kula kanan wen mo chiriem chachu lon chiriem chatukrar wa jen do badana liu kaja man naka excessive blood loss jen dan naka wo chiriem chalon na me gaina gwan mi mo dong bi jenre wi ka South Sudan bo wi do dien wi tek mi gwa wi je gor ci jen charge ko na kawai ka jen ci tek de ci chu jen ka mi be ci barro ka show de na me South Sudanese community kene Kenyan community chaka gaylong do badana ci nyame ci yede ci jen ka ja police watch kan investigation di kana left no ba netin konin sharo den involve ka o binyam baro nak ko chermi ram nak ro ko ram baro ka bo pen pin win min da nak ro karwade chajo mo ko no cha investigation chaje let ko ba netin kontin te ketetten ba ka dil capture ka show da kene ko ken wona ka family members ne de konti la shima ni kala do ne na ko kan chake inform ta police ni kan ler kan David Rachur Ramadan la ne de konti la police ni David Rachur Ramadan la ran mar ka nyam ti rai ko police ni ko gwade cha nyam cha je yetin cha ne to cha kala ler immediately cha je ko no sheteriang mi to ka nyadun ci yede cha jen gwade mi ma rod yor pin wikal ko jen report an cha no ken she would have made a watch and TV and South Sudanese me no chilora test ke police nit en konti la ji Kenya ko she can a mal update kamana sure a lot you know so na me tine dial no Regina liwedi you know ngum bara rode me bara rode mo bodbe kulo je ki brodo kulo nek na mo la ja gorke neti ngwante mere yuke South Sudan ti ken no ngum nek Regina ko Regina den badil ngaje no jen liwo ke kujeme men nek badil ngaj you know jen tade mishir kan me ne diala tam ngol teina eno en ken ngani South Sudanese tela men you know kwen ka ke ne te bor ki jor ko brantik de bogo ko South Sudan ti re kur ana goro brodo goro chaw gwada din but mi bi wo ka chaw mi forina ka jana break bi lo je ke bulle wona ko bare rodu donc ti tek du terere ka donc la ji di hanega da ji lelti ko you know ti dial bekelong ken ne ti ko ni la jor la kana gor no de garan mo krek mu donc chiaga so nyame chorda barbang donc bararo ko donc chade mo krek gwa ka wa ken ci ga donc te ken ka gadyok so information me michiben ngode te nanu what exactly happened why she was running away and question mo jatin na me dar gwano di yana ngach ngode ba je follow up mandal lerode shana ben kalera jagwa seme chala do changwen dangro cha ka yen ti chala do chicken shek midi chicken cupping dor shal ke Yambio na me a shocking ke breaking along ngani dangro ki men two men kan chala do sha ka kef kan nei to chala do kan chi ka ben ka war kan wun dangro wa chi kan wore duel mi sheng mi ten meten ka runi jan bakel la run da ko da wa mi shigro sho duel chi kan shek chi kana ka pin chi kana do chala do no shi police nin wen mo shi kan wa cha ne ro cha ko ke ka jom chala da kan ne tin kontin lat ka mi shit kan me gwi jen o kan e kume Sudan People Liberation Army in a position wake de ne aspelayo gonyo madanen chaka gwen keje eri ga me tuo ga dora shal ke bazungwa payam Yambio County ka shanga doko war awa shikin de ne dangro de to awa shikin ben ka war shika wore duel they broke into the women house and gwadma shukana kapin wa showde mishi wono no dong dere dere shigra dere jalwak ko toy kare duel kel wa chwaje pima kan wunto to ka chu kana ban pin lo take a boat ka kore chu jien chu lar jip chu lar police ni no cha chigre cha de ka pin kan de ka pin ka din ni dangro wa chi police ji jien ji kan to kan ko ke gwa dan cha ko jikten shik mo ja ka Yambio hospital na mere mo jitu ore wichin winemi ka jo chalat gwa se me wa ne to cha ka ke gwa de chal ke makpandu you know wa ba kul nan ka Yambio na me le rode so we konedi mi ngweni ke ne ti dong de kon cholan no tilade ni ke ne dit wo kan check mi te karuni jan bakalo na kaping what do you think we je morning so ne me ariek beje banere cha chekaka ku me spela yo de ni ken gwat me chala no teleji spela yo te chi comment ke chike statement chikena met no dundo ka kume South Sudan Penal Court warami mo michiran kaping la ja yana karundang welngwan betre tijen 14 years te brand kanang rate tijen kamen jaga dana chalat either ke jas pelayo ke dina SSPD up ke en bonnet doro you know ke en ngade mo meteko kuma mo ke ram mo michimi jekchi la reche ran che kaping ka bom wa bedin te karundang welngwan rate tijen ba jo kulolon so mi gwi kon me beje long ka tibej bej bana shongon gwasa me mi jira me judit ka Changfied YouTube channel goro jin be subscribe ko blur content no go gwasa me bikan chamala shipkeje je paru jin jin bi shar be jatobi keep ja ko ngpin ajan mandana dong de confect na me en bi atagamal bye bye